Time, weather, and always pass. Case Hi, I'm Tim Reagan, founder here at Purview Wealth Partners, and welcome to this edition of our market update. Want to take just a couple of minutes to give you our view on what's taking place over the course of the last week. We continue to see markets being pretty volatile. That's being driven primarily due to some of the events happening between Russia and Ukraine. While we do not see those as long-term concerns for the markets, they immediately have some concerns, especially as it comes to the increased energy prices that we're experiencing right now. We've all seen it at the pump, and as President Biden yesterday announced that we'd no longer accept Russian oil, that will only kind of exacerbate that situation. Those tend to still be short-term in nature, a volatility spike, not necessarily longer-term economic changing types of things. The bigger picture is what happens and how does that affect what the Fed does with interest rates and where does it drive inflation? Those are continue to be the things that we're concerned about. As we look at that, there's some conversation right now that there's speculation, I should say, that the Fed may not raise rates as abruptly or as quickly as they were anticipating. If that happens, that obviously would have a positive effect on what we're seeing in some of the volatility inside of the market. However, we still think that they have to raise rates at some point because of inflation and where that's at. As we look forward, though, we continue to expect the market to be pretty choppy. Choppy being both up and down, but probably a little downward trend going forward. If that downward trend continues, we'll probably be looking to take some more risk out of the portfolio, which means that we would look to pull some stocks out of the portfolio or reduce the equity exposure there. That's not positive. We don't know that for sure. We're going to wait till next week and in future weeks to see what that trend looks like. But just know, give you a nod to what we're thinking may come to be. As of this week, we see no reason to make any changes. If we are actively managing your portfolio, know that as changes are needed, we will make those changes on your behalf. Until we talk again, we hope that we can help you to live your legacy with confidence. Be well.